Good morning! About 6 months ago, I set myself the challenge to make a BB-8 droid, and I came up with something that looks like BB-8, but I cheated in a way that it does not roll in an actual ball. Well, today this will be my second take at building a working BB-8 robot.
Dodgic DIY! Think, build and share!
My robot will be a car that moves inside a wheel, just like a hamster. I started making the wheel out of cardboard with the following steps. Once this is done, I then start making the frame to build my car. I made the wheels out of foam just because it is a material that is very easy to work with. I made the frame out of lollipop sticks because it also is very easy to work with, yet strong. Then the circuitry is very simple. It basically consists of a 9-volt battery, the switch, and then the motor. Since I was too lazy to make some pulleys and that I have a 3D printer, I 3D printed my pulleys that I found on Thingiverse. Then we must find a way to transmit the motion made by the motor to the axis where the two wheels are. And for this we need a pulley. I tried quite a lot of ways and materials, especially quite a lot of rubber bands, but none of them seem to work. And since this video is getting long and that I must think about better types of pulley, I am going to leave you here and I will continue this project in part 2. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. The way this robot works is that when weight is applied to the side of the wheel will move until the weight is down in the center of the wheel. Thus, with the help of a small electric car, we can make this wheel move forward. Then, for the head of BB-8, we will simply need a few magnets.